Once upon a time, in a small, cozy village, lived a kind-hearted boy named Kristoff. He was known for his big heart, curious mind, and a love for all creatures, big and small. One night, as Kristoff was drifting off to sleep, he heard a soft, whimpering sound. He jumped out of bed, wrapped in his favorite plaid blanket, and followed the sound. He found a tiny, lost owl, shivering in the cold night. Kristoff gently picked up the owl and, with a warm smile, said, "Don't worry, little friend, I'm here to help." He carried the owl back to his home, made a nest for it in his room, and found some seeds for it to eat. He named the owl Oliver and promised to help him find his home. The next day, Kristoff and Oliver set off on an adventure. They met many animals on their journey, each teaching them something new. They learned about the importance of kindness, bravery, and friendship. As the sun began to set, they finally reached Oliver's home. A group of owls welcomed Oliver back with open wings. They thanked Kristoff for his help and offered him a gift. That night, Kristoff fell asleep with a smile on his face. He knew he had made a friend and learned valuable lessons. He looked forward to many more adventures with his new animal friends. From that day forward, Kristoff became known as the kind boy who could talk to animals. He continued to help those in need and spread kindness wherever he went. And so, the story of Kristoff's magical night lived on, inspiring others to be kind and help those in need.